Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI Hustle Lab. I'm excited to officially announce something powerful we're starting from today. From now on, we'll be learning artificial intelligence tools step by step, every single day. No confusion, no overload, just practical learning. Yesterday we trained on CapCut. We learned how to create videos, add captions, edit faster, and produce content like professionals. That was just the beginning. This is how our daily AI training will work. Every day we will pick one AI tool. We will explain what the tool does, why it's important, how to use it step by step, and how you can make money or save time with it. We'll go from beginner level to confident user. Many people hear about AI, but they don't know where to start. We're changing that. Instead of learning everything at once, we'll master one AI tool per day, slowly, clearly, and practically. So I want you to do 3 things. 1. Stay consistent. 2. Practice what you learn daily. 3. Ask questions in the comments. This training is designed for beginners, creators, business owners, and anyone ready to grow. AI is not the future. AI is now. And if you learn how to use these tools, you will always be ahead. Tomorrow, we pick another AI tool and continue the journey. Welcome to Daily AI Mastery. Let's grow together.